Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to save a contact or email contact to your Google contact list. Now, once you're inside your Gmail account, as you can see, let's say I'm going to take YouTube as an example. As you can see, it says no reply at youtube.com. Let's say I really want to go ahead and save them as a contact. Now, how do I do that? All you have to do now is just simply go ahead and click towards the right hand side. You'll have the option that says contact. You want to click on that and it will immediately go ahead and populate and find that email address from the email that is open. And as you can see, it detects the no reply at youtube.com. So I can simply go ahead and click on that contact and you now have the option to save contact. So if I click on save contact, it will immediately save it. As you can see, it says working, but this will go ahead and save this as a contact for me. Now, if I go ahead and go back here, let me go over to my contacts. You can see that I have YouTube creators here as a contact. Now I'm going to show you as well that it's actually in the contact. So if I open up another window here and go to my apps, go to contacts, you will now see that I have the YouTube creator as a contact in that contact list. And that's it, guys. That's how you easily go ahead and save email address or details of an email address into your Google contacts from your email account in Gmail. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.